Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going head to head between InvidiaTrade and Interactive Brokers. We'll look at their account and leverage options, what instruments you can trade, deposit and withdrawal experiences, and of course regulation. Stick around to see why many traders are finding InvidiaTrade to be the superior choice here in several important areas. So let's compare InvidiaTrade with Interactive Brokers, because both are pretty good brokers, but there are some things that are important before you actually go ahead and make your choice about them. So let's start with account types and leverage. Nvidia offers account types with high leverage available across multiple account levels. Here we can see you get leverage of up to 500x with basically all of their accounts. Now, Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, does provide a range of account types, such as cash accounts, margin accounts, and portfolio margin, etc. You basically configure your account by selecting your client type. This could be your base currency and of course your account type. However, IBKR's leverage is much more constrained in regulated jurisdictions. For example, in many locations, Forex majors are limited to around 30x leverage. And Forex miners are lower than that, and then cryptocurrencies are super low leverage, such as 1 to 2. So InvidiaTrade does win here, because you do get access to stronger leverage sooner, and you get it in a multiple different instruments compared to something like Interactive Brokers. Our sponsor today is helping businesses scale their online privacy, and that sponsor is Proxy for You. If you're automating your business online, you should definitely be using a proxy, because Proxy for You is the best and most reliable proxy provider online with super reasonable and affordable prices that really just let you do whatever you want with the proxy, whether it's scraping, using bots, or just browsing the internet. So definitely check out Proxy for You in the description. And now let's get back to the video. Let's talk trading instruments and pairings. Interactive Brokers shines in variety. You can trade stocks, options, futures, Forex, bonds, and funds on many different global markets. InvidiaTrade also offers Forex commodities, indices, cryptos, and CFDs, but the advantage for Nvidia is that more of those instruments are unlocked in the lower tier account levels. So in short, you don't have to be a VIP or meet high minimums just to access the things you want to trade. So although IBKR has massive breadth, InvidiaTrade gives you more access to many of the same instruments with fewer barriers to entry. Next, let's talk depositing. Interactive Brokers supports various deposit methods such as bank transfers, ACH, and more, but does not generally allow credit or debit card or e-wallet deposits or withdrawals. They also have withdrawal fees, but they do allow one free withdrawal every calendar month. But after that, it will be something like €8 or similar for every withdrawal you make. And the processing times here are a lot longer, in my experience, than InvidiaTrade. As with Interactive Brokers, it usually takes 1 to 2 business days for bank transfers, and withdrawals really just depend on the method or region, sometimes taking up to 5 days. InvidiaTrade, in contrast, offers faster payouts, lower or no minimums for many deposit or withdrawal methods, and more local and digital payment options. As you can see, they do offer Bitcoin here or cryptos to deposit as well. And there's a lot less hidden fees or monthly withdrawal limits. So InvidiaTrade will win on this front. Next, let's talk about regulation. Interactive Brokers is regulated by many top-tier authorities. This includes the US, the UK, Australia, and Singapore. Generally, their regulatory oversight is very strong, and clients' funds are held in segregated accounts and must meet rigorous compliance and capital requirements. Now, this might sound good, but InvidiaTrade is registered in St. Lucia, which is offshore. While registering offshore often means less regulatory costs and more leeway in leverage and account rules, traders must understand what protection exists. But when you compare, Nvidia is just generally offering trader benefits that Interactive Brokers often limits due to regulatory constraints, while still maintaining registration and oversight. So in short, InvidiaTrade just offers far more flexibility and freedom, whereas Interactive Brokers may limit your leverage and other things depending on your region. So in conclusion here, InvidiaTrade gives stronger leverage options with fewer restrictions. When it comes to pairings, Interactive Brokers does have a massive market access, but InvidiaTrade gives nearly the same breadth with lower entry barriers. When it comes to deposits and withdrawals, IBKR is a lot slower and more restricted, with hidden fees a lot of the time, so InvidiaTrade usually wins for speed, ease, and transparency. When it comes to regulation, Interactive Brokers is more regulated, but if you want more trading power, such as leverage, instrument access, and lower thresholds, InvidiaTrade provides many more advantages while still being a viable broker. If you're a trader seeking more opportunity and less restriction, InvidiaTrade is the superior choice for many respects. But that's going to be it from me. I will leave a link to InvidiaTrade down in the description. If you did enjoy this video, drop a like on it, and I will see you in the next video.